When shopping online, finding a stylish yet reliable store can be tricky. And that's why today we're taking a closer look at Olyndra London, a site that claims to offer trendy and comfy men's and women's clothing like hoodies, jackets, shirts, trousers, and more. But is it really a store you can trust? Or just another disappointment waiting to happen? On the surface, the website looks polished, with sleek images and bold claims of quality, even boasting an impressive 4.8-star rating on its own platform. But when you look elsewhere, the story doesn't line up. Because Trustpilot reviews give it a much lower 2.5-star score, with many customers complaining about receiving the wrong sizes, poor fabric quality, and painfully slow delivery times. Digging deeper, there are even bigger red flags, like Olyndra London saying they've been around since 2002, yet their domain was only registered in 2025. That's a massive gap that immediately makes their credibility questionable. Adding to the suspicion, some of the founder images used on the site look generic or possibly fake, and several product photos appear to be copied directly from other fashion sites, which suggests the items may not actually be original or as premium as advertised. When it comes to customer support, the options are extremely limited too, since they only provide a single email address and no phone number or live chat, making it hard to get quick help if something goes wrong with your order. All these details create a mixed picture, not completely fraudulent, but definitely not the transparent, trustworthy brand it tries to present itself as. So if you're considering shopping at Olyndra London, it may be wise to think twice, weigh the risks, and keep these warning signs in mind before making a purchase.